Behind XRP's rise stands a man who saw finance differently. While others built banks, he built bridges. This is the story of Chris Larsen, the fintech pioneer who challenged Wall Street and helped create one of crypto's most ambitious visions, the Internet of Value. Long before crypto, Chris Larsen was already changing finance. Born in San Francisco, Larsen earned his MBA at Stanford, but he didn't head to Wall Street. He believed finance was broken, slow, expensive, and unfair. In the late 1990s, he co-founded eLoan, one of the first online lending platforms. His mission was simple: give people control over their own money. After eLoan, Larsen's success gave him credibility, but he wasn't done. In 2012, he met Jed McCaleb, Arthur Brito, and David Schwartz. They were building a blockchain that could move money like email, no mining, no middlemen. Larsen saw the potential immediately. Together, they created Ripple Labs and XRP was born. While Bitcoin challenged banks, Larsen wanted to connect them. Ripple's goal wasn't to destroy the system, it was to modernize it. Using XRP as a bridge currency, banks could transfer value instantly, globally, and cheaply. It was the missing link between the old world of finance and the new world of crypto. Chris Larsen called his vision the Internet of Value, a world where money moves as freely as information. Just like the early internet connected people, Ripple would connect ledgers, currencies, and economies. It wasn't just about crypto, it was about global inclusion. Of course, vision always meets resistance. Regulators were skeptical. Critics called Ripple too centralized, but Larsen stayed focused, promoting partnerships with banks, regulators, and global payment systems. Even after stepping down as CEO, he remained Ripple's biggest shareholder and its quiet strategist. Today, Chris Larsen stands as one of the wealthiest figures in crypto, but more importantly, one of the most forward-thinking. His ideas continue to influence CBDCs, interbank systems, and the global move toward digital value. The lesson: vision isn't about following hype, it's about solving problems others ignore. Chris Larsen didn't just build Ripple, he built a roadmap for how finance could evolve. This is DCA CRYPTO, where we uncover the real stories behind digital money. Subscribe for the next chapter of XRP, the revolution of value.